So hey guys, thanks for watching my channel. So today we're going to make a green paradise smoothie. So here are the ingredients. We're going to need 1 cup of packed spinach, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, 1 small banana, half a cup of ice, and 1.5 cups of coconut water. So what I'm going to do now is just place the ingredients into the Ninja blender, which we're going to make that smoothie. Pulse it 3 times and blend it on high until smooth. So here it is. Enjoy this. I'm going to taste test it for you. Wow, this is awesome. So like I said, it's healthy for you, and also it's a smoothie, and you can drink it in the morning or whenever you have time, and it's really like an aphrodisiac. Anyway, that's what I consider it. But anyway, thanks for watching my channel. Until next time, please don't forget to hit the like or subscribe or share comments there. And ka-ching!